Now, without further ado, let's invite Joshik from first class with your science topic, sun organs.
Hello everyone, this is Joshi. I am from the first class in Shri Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorinta, at Alingabad. Our sense organs, our body has five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes, we see with our eyes, can watch television and read books and see different things with our eyes. Ears, hear with our ears, can hear sounds in our sense with our ears. Nose, we smell with our nose. It also helps us use it to breathe. Tongue, we taste with our tongue. We can taste sweet and salty sauce and bitter things. Skin, we feel with the skin on our body. We feel the heat of fire, coldness of sea, and sharpness of a knife. We must take good care of all our sense organs. Thank you.
It's such a good presentation. Give him a great appreciation.